Says stock DPZ, Domino's Pizza. Seems to be channeling in a range here. I don't know if it's the correct way of analyzing a range. I'm learning myself, but anyway, seems to be, see, the stock seems to stay close to these averages. So the downside risk is low. Entered around here early morning. Target is here. You always have to have a stop loss, so I think if you look at the stock, it hardly falls below 375. Depends on your risk tolerance, but this is a good long term and risk to reward. Normally, when you do risk to reward, you don't want a 1-to-1. You want like every $5 you make, for every $1 you make $3. But anyway, I just thought I'd just try this as a trade. As again, this is just for entertainment purposes. Thanks for watching.